The Valenzuela City government already implemented a preemptive evacuation to 26 families along Agustin Street in Karuhatan, Valenzuela City. These residents were affected by a portion of the road which collapsed yesterday, May 26, due to continuous rain brought by Typhoon Aghon. The road is beside the ongoing construction of Legislative Building, which is a 4-story structure with 2-floor basement.
Nakailang report na namin yan, nireport na namin sa barangay, nagpetition na rin kami, address to the mayor, ganyan. Ayun nga, hanggang sa ganun lang, yung parang gagawin, masisira, gagawin na naman, masisira, ganun. Kaya ang advocacy namin, kung gagawin naman sana, yung pang long term na.
Basta yung sinasabi namin doon na yung may crack, yung nagka-crack yung sa harapan ng bahay namin na tiniran, mayroon na. Doon sa hagdanan na gano'n, tapos yung kalsadang mahaba. Nireklamo na nung mga may-ari. Tinatagpian, yung butas ay yung giwang niyang gano'n, pinapasakan nila ng semento. Siyempre, bubuka pa rin yun.
Valenzuela City Mayor Wes Gatchalian explained earlier why the portion of the road collapsed.
Supposedly this month or this week, maglalagay na po tayo ng retaining wall. To formally close. Naunahan ho tayo ng sama ng panahon. In place po yung aming mga steel columns or steel matting. Yung pressure po ng tubig sa ilalim ho ay sobrang lakas, causing it na bumigay.
Department of Public Works and Highways District Engineer Ruel Umali assured that there was soil testing conducted before the construction began.
Nung bago po tayo nagtayo ng building, nagkaroon po tayo ng pag-aaral, soil testing po. So, capable naman po na magtayo tayo ng building with 2 basements.
Valenzuela City will implement a permanent solution including rectification of roads and drainage, structural damage assessment, and installation of the restraining wall to mitigate future risks of erosion and water seepage. These solutions will take approximately 6 months, which means residents who are evacuated cannot return to their houses while construction is ongoing. 12 families among the 26 families are staying in Malinta National High School. They will be assisted by the city government to look for rental houses to serve as their temporary shelter. They will be given 20,000 pesos of financial assistance each.
Kulang ko sa kulang. Pero siyempre, 20,000 is still 20,000. Malaking tulong na rin kaysa sa wala. I mean, pero di ba, hindi enough talaga.
Hindi ko nga alam eh. Ang hirap ng buhay namin. Hindi ko alam kung paano.
JP Nunez, UNTV, News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.